Hello and namaste. Welcome back to Fabulous Body. I'm Akash, your holistic nutrition coach, and today we are diving into a hotly debated topic, carbohydrates. Are they good or bad for weight loss? Stick with me till the end and I'll help you settle this debate for good. By the end of this video, you'll know whether you should include carbohydrates in your diet if your goal is to lose weight and for overall health as well. To start, let's establish a bit of science. Carbohydrates are molecules composed of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen atoms. Since hydrogen's ratio to oxygen atoms in carbohydrates is usually the same as water, they are called carbo plus hydrates, as in watered carbons. Carbs give us 4 calories per gram and along with fats are a major energy source for the body, especially for our brain, which primarily runs on glucose. And by the way, carbs also play a vital role in sparing the protein, allowing it to focus on crucial tasks like building muscles and producing hormones. Carbs are either simple or complex. Simple carbs have 1 or 2 sugar molecules like monosaccharides or disaccharides. Complex carbs have multiple sugar molecules including polysaccharides and also include fiber, a type of complex carbs that's crucial for digestion and for overall health. Now here's the key. The amount of carbohydrates you eat should be based on your food choices, your dietary habits, and how much animal-based foods you consume. As a holistic nutritionist, I recommend a plant-forward diet. Not plant-based, but a plant-forward diet. This approach doesn't box you in with strict labels. I'm a vegan, I'm a paleo, I'm a macrobiotic, and so on and so forth. But it does mean that plants make up a big part of your diet. Why? Because plants provide essential nutrients that animal-based foods often don't. A balanced diet, in my opinion, should be at least 80% plant-based. Plant-based foods naturally contain starch and fiber, so a plant-forward diet means your diet will contain carbohydrates. So focus on getting 90% of your carbohydrate calories from nutrient-dense sources as follows. First, legumes, beans, lentils, chickpeas. Second, whole grains like oats or millets which contains bajra, ragi, and jowar. Vegetables, tons of different colors of vegetables, non-starchy veggies, both raw and cooked. However, keep your fruit intake moderate at about 1 to 2 pieces per day depending on your health markers like HbA1c. Does this mean skipping the pizza, burger, or pasta? Ideally, yes. These are generally low in nutrients and extremely high in simple carbs, which can disrupt your blood sugar levels and lead to health issues. Instead, choose carbohydrates that are high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, the foods that I just mentioned. Fast foods like pizzas, burgers, cakes, pastries, donuts, etc. and sugary drinks are loaded with simple carbs that have been stripped of the nutrients. They cause blood sugar spikes which can disrupt hormone balance over time. And here's how it works. Whole grains, for example, have 3 parts. First is the bran, which is high in fiber, B vitamins, and antioxidants. Then there is a germ layer, which contains the B vitamins, protein, minerals, and healthy fats. Then we have the endosperm, which is primarily carbohydrates, starches basically. So when grains are refined, like in white rice or white flour, the bran and the germ are removed, leaving mostly starch. This refined starch breaks down quickly, leading to a rapid rise in blood sugar and a spike in insulin. When you regularly eat refined carbs, it can lead to insulin resistance and eventually type 2 diabetes. So in summary, it does not really matter how many grams of carbohydrates you eat each day, 100 grams, 200 grams, or even 300 grams. What matters most is your food choices. Prioritize whole functional foods like legumes, whole grains, and vegetables. Get most of your carbohydrate calories from these three categories and limit refined foods like white bread, pasta, and sugary snacks. These refined carbs have given carbohydrate a bad name, but by focusing on nutrient-dense options, you'll get the benefits without the downside. If you still have any questions about carbohydrates, ask me in the comments box below. Thank you so much for your time. If you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe. Stay healthy, stay fabulous.